central Pennsylvania, central Blair County in central Pennsylvania, eastern Cambria County in central Pennsylvania, until 10 p.m. At 7:03 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain over portions of eastern Cambria, western Blair, and northern Bedford counties. These areas have received between 1 and 2 inches of rain in the last hour or so. Additional heavy rain in this area will produce flash flooding shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Altoona, Hollidaysburg, Portage, Tyrone, Beaverdale, Lloydell, Bellwood, Blandburg, Blue Knob State Park, Claysburg, Crescent, Duncansville, Dunlow, Gallitzin, Horseshoe Curve, Lakemont, Lilly, Osterburg, Prince Gallitzin State Park, Queen, and Roaring Spring. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties: Bedford, Blair, and Cambria. A severe thunderstorm warning